In this video, we will take an analysis of Shiba Inu coin price. In the last few weeks, it seems that all crypto investors are talking about the Shiba Inu token, while the finance media and writing about it a lot. What is known about this cryptocurrency and why it is called that Dogecoin killer? What is the Shiba Inu coin? Shiba Inu is a token inside the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This decentralized meme token was created in August 2020 by Ryoshi and anonymous persons or group of the people. Ever since the Shiba Inu coin hit the cryptocurrency market, it has been compared to the Dogecoin, but in reality, they have nothing in common besides both being meme coin and occupational endorsement from Elon Musk. The project even parodized Dogecoin with its use of Shiba Inu dog, but Shiba's developers are aiming to solve seriously real life problems. Shiba was released on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token with a total supply of 1 trillion coins. Before launch, developers transferred half of the digital coins in the Uniswap DEX and destroyed the key. The other half of the coins are transferred by the founder of Ethereum. He burned 90% of the SHIB tokens by sending them to a non-existing address. In total, Britain destroyed 410 trillion tokens worth $6.5 billion. The creator of the project had the following expectations. Shiba Inu was the first project to follow this path. Everyone should buy coin on the open market, ensuring a fair and complete distribution, in which developers do not own the token and cannot dump them into the community. In 2020, Britain transferred more than 5 trillion Shiba Inu tokens to the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund. At the time of the transaction, they were worth about $1.14 billion and also promised to donate the remaining Shiba Inu tokens to charity, but this time to support longer term initiative. As the project grows, the creator of Shiba Inu wants to turn it into a full-fledged decentralized ecosystem and transfer 100% of rights to the community to manage the protocol without a governing body. The Shiba Inu price history had a perfect start. In a few weeks of its existence, its price rose by 2700%. Percentage wise, it was an outstanding performance for the Shiba coin, but it's important to mention that to take price doesn't reach over 1/10 of a cent. According to data from market coin market cap, the price of Shiba Inu hit its all-time high of 0.0008 on October 28. This happened after SHIB was listed on several exchanges. SHIB also met the launch of its own line of non-fungible shibans more than $34.29 billion. At the time of writing, Shiba Yen US coins price is around 0.00032 and the digital coins is listed in 13 with the market cap over $17 billion. The Shiba coin token is available on several major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, FTX, OKEX, and WazirX. The ecosystem also hosts a centralized exchange called Shiba Swap. launched at the same time as the native Shiba token, but the most convenient and by far a most popular way to buy SHIB in through the Binance exchange. This is a two-step crypto to crypto transfer where you need to exchange another coin to Binance Smart Chain and then to Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. However, one of the most convenient and safest way to buy Shiba is the token purchase on the Challengely Pro training platform. It is important to mention that our team at Challengely and Challengely Pro strives to keep our platform up to date and provide users with the latest offers in the crypto market. That is why you will receive the most recent update on Shiba Inu's values and can seamlessly exchange the Shiba token for over 200 cryptocurrencies available on instant crypto exchange challenging. Another great addition in that you can also trade Shiba to BTC and our full featured cryptocurrency exchange. Market prediction of Shiba. The world started seeing hand likes like Shiba Inu price prediction in 2023 that were called in as good investment after Shiba joined Binance. The Shiba Inu price dynamics have been crazy last year. The Shiba coin skyrocketed in many in the very short period of time. However, it doesn't success at keeping its position, but them came June to July handing again. If you want to trade Shiba at its upper price, purchase it's not too late. Let's move on the Shiba Inu price predictions yearly by year to determine whether now is still good time to buy and sell this doggy coin killer. Shiba Inu price prediction for February January 2022. Due to the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies all over the world, SHIB may also catch a lot of attention. As we know, it is the demand for cryptocurrencies that determines its market capitalization and consequently its exchange rate. In the first half of 2022, Shiba Inu's average price may be around $0.000530 according to the Shiba Inu prediction provided by Digital Coin Price. Its future price might reach 0.00038 by the end of February. By June, the Shiba coin price might be arrived at 0.00028500948 according to the wallet investor. The long-term earning potential is 160.70% in 1 year. It seems like the Shiba Inu coin could be a good investment in 2022. Shiba Inu price predictions for 2023. For our 2023 Shiba Inu prediction, we will be looking at data presented by GOV Capital. This source is very optimistic and predicts a positive trend throughout the year. Shiba Inu price might even make a massive bull run and reaches 0.000173 to 0.000182 mid-year and an impressive 0.000248 by the end of the 2023. It is vital to understand that the price of this and any other crypto coin is extremely volatile and it is not always influenced by unpredictable factors such as Elon Musk tweets on the appearance of new coin. Please always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu price prediction in 2025. Shiba price may plug in the lowest possible level of $0.0073 in 2023 at the same 2025. At the same time, according to the cryptocurrency price prediction index, The coin could reach at highest possible level of $0.0083 with an expected average price in 000 by 75 by the end of the year. In 2025, the price of SHIB might be 0.000180, and according to some analytics, the bull run might lead to 0.00727. Thank you very much.